This is the Lake Travis. We are invited by friends to come to their lake house to enjoy barbecue, to celebrate the dry falls. This is a beautiful place. You can fish here. Of course, you can kayak, boating. It's really, really nice place. Hello guys. Okay. Over there they have another friend, buddy over there. And here we have another friend. Having dinner, barbecue dinner at a friend's house. It's really nice, beautiful. Wow, very nice fireworks by Travis Lake. Yeah. Do they do this every year?
I've never seen these people do it before. But I haven't been here for 4th of July in a little.
We're getting a beer from this bar, and it's quite fancy in Austin, and you can just scan this barcode to get the menu. We don't have this in our little town. I'm going to make a special dish. Lamb goes with this kind of special mushroom. It's yellow. I've never tried this kind of mushroom before. This is a lamb and that kind of special mushroom. Here we have a dry force fish.